Guess the fruit. Apple. It is a crunchy apple. It is red or green in color and is a very healthy and popular fruit. Can you guess this one? Banana. It is yellow banana. It is a soft and sweet fruit that is very easy to peel. Who is hiding here? Mango. It is juicy mango. It is bright yellow and very sweet and is the king of the summer. Which fruit is this? Orange. It is round orange. It is a bright citrus fruit that is full of juice and vitamin C. Guess the fruit. Grapes. They are small grapes. They are round and juicy and grow in bunches on a vine. Can you guess this one? Strawberry. It is red strawberry. It is a pretty heart-shaped fruit with tiny seeds on the outside. Who is hiding here? Watermelon. It is big watermelon. It is green on the outside and bright red and watery inside. Which fruit is this? Pear. It is sweet pear. It is a bell-shaped green fruit that is very juicy and soft. Guess the fruit. Pineapple. It is yellow pineapple. It has a prickly skin and a crown of green leaves on top. Can you guess this one? Peach. It is fuzzy peach. It has a very soft skin and is sweet and juicy with a big stone. Who is hiding here? Cherry. It is tiny cherry. It is a bright red round fruit that grows on a long, thin stem. Which fruit is this? Papaya. It is orange papaya. It is a long fruit with many small black seeds and a soft texture. Guess the fruit. Guava. It is green guava. It has a very strong, sweet smell and is crunchy with tiny seeds. Can you guess this one? Lemon. It is yellow lemon. It is very sour and is often used to make fresh and cold juice. Who is hiding here? Coconut. It is hard coconut. It has a brown shell and is filled with white meat and water. Which fruit is this? Kiwi. It is fuzzy kiwi. It is brown on the outside and bright green inside with black seeds. Guess the fruit. Pomegranate. It is red pomegranate. It is a round fruit filled with many juicy red seeds. Can you guess this one? Plum. It is purple plum. It is a smooth and round fruit that is very juicy and sweet to eat. Who is hiding here? Apricot. It is small apricot. It is a velvet soft orange fruit that is very healthy and sweet. Which fruit is this? Blueberry. It is tiny blueberry. It is a small round blue fruit that is very good for health. Guess the fruit. Melon. It is sweet melon. It is a big round fruit that is very cool and refreshing. Can you guess this one? Dates. They are brown dates. They grow on palm trees and are very sweet and sticky snacks. Who is hiding here? Lychee. It is sweet lychee. It has a bumpy red skin and a white center that is very juicy. Which fruit is this? Raspberry. It is a soft, small, red, hollow berry that grows on bushes. Guess the fruit? Blackberry. It is a dark, bumpy purple fruit that is very sweet when ripe. Can you guess this one? Avocado. It is green avocado. It is a very creamy fruit with a big seed used in healthy meals. Who is hiding here? Grapefruit. It is large grapefruit. It looks like a big orange, but has a sour and bitter taste. Which fruit is this? Lime. It is green lime. It is a small citrus fruit that is very sour and fresh. Guess the fruit? Tangerine. It is small tangerine. It is a type of orange that is very sweet and easy to peel. Can you guess this one? Chiku. It is brown chiku. It looks like a small potato and has a very sweet sugar taste. Who is hiding here? Fig. It is sweet fig. It is a soft purple or green fruit with many tiny crunchy seeds. Which fruit is this? Mulberry. It is a long mulberry. It is a sweet berry that grows on trees and turns dark purple. Guess the fruit? Starfruit. It is yellow starfruit. It looks like a star when it is cut into thin slices. Can you guess this one? Cranberry. It is tart cranberry. It is a tiny red berry that is used to make bright red juice. Who is hiding here? Nectarine. It is smooth nectarine. It is similar to a peach but has a very smooth skin. Which fruit is this? Custard apple. It is bumpy custard apple. It is green and has a very sweet, creamy white center. Guess the fruit. Gooseberry. It is a green gooseberry. It is a small, round fruit that is a bit sour and healthy. Can you guess this one? Olive. It is a small olive. It can be green or black and is used to make healthy oil. Who is hiding here? Sweet lime. It is a juicy sweet lime. It is a round green fruit that makes a very refreshing drink. Which fruit is this? Dragon fruit. It is a pink dragon fruit. It has a unique scaly skin and a white center with tiny seeds. Guess the fruit? Passion fruit. It is a round passion fruit. It has a tough skin and is filled with fragrant juice. Can you guess this one? Jackfruit. It is a giant jackfruit. It is a very large fruit with sweet yellow pieces inside. Who is hiding here? Yellow plum. It is a small yellow plum. It is a round and smooth fruit that tastes very sweet and juicy. Which fruit is this? Red apple. It is a sweet red apple. It is very crunchy and is one of the most loved fruits in the world. Guess the fruit? Green apple. It is a tangy green apple. It is a very fresh and crunchy fruit that tastes a bit sour. Can you guess this one? Green grapes. They are juicy green grapes. They are small and sweet and grow in long, beautiful bunches. Who is hiding here? Black grapes. They are sweet black grapes. They are dark in color and very juicy to eat as a snack. Which fruit is this? Seedless orange. It is juicy, seedless orange. It is very easy to eat because it has no small seeds inside. Guess the fruit? Sugarcane. It is a long sugarcane. It is a tall plant that is full of very sweet and refreshing juice. Can you guess this one? Honey melon. It is sweet honey melon. It is a round fruit that tastes like honey and is very cool inside.